Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing on string in Java with examples. So stay tuned with the video. What are strings in Java? String in Java is a sequence of characteristics. It represents textual data and it is one of most commonly used types in Java programming. We all know strings are immutable and we should know like where the strings actually the object is saved. So in Java there are two type of memories, one is heap and one is stack. So the new object is always stored in heap memory. So and the key characteristic of string, it is immutable, which means once a string is created its value cannot be changed. In other words, strings are immutable when you perform operation that modify a string. So this is important. So whenever we perform any operation that modify a string, a new object is created instead of modifying the original one. So string pool, there is another concept of string pool. Java maintains a special memory area called string pool for storing string literals. String literals are stored in the pool, and if another string with same value is created, Java reuses the existing object from the pool instead of creating a new one. So apart from it, there are few methods in string which could be such as if we want to substring, we want to find a specific character, and index, we want to check uh, what is the starting letter. We can do with start with. Similarly, we can use end with to identify the ending letter. We can change the string to lowercase or uppercase. We can also replace the string. So the important thing is to know like a string is a sequence of characters. Okay, and it is immutable in Java. And now we will see by example some different functions in Java. So I have opened a project in IntelliJ. You can just create a new Java project, and we created the main class in it. As you can see, I have created a string name with value Toms and another string with name Toms again. Now if we compare these two, I am using double equal in this case, and there is a boolean to save the value, and I have used system.printout to print this value. In this case, the value will be true. Why? Because as we have just seen, like it have a string pool, and whenever another string object is created with same value, it does not create, but actually the same name is being used. So that's why this return true. But like if I do something like this, I create another string with same value, but now instead of writing or declaring it like this, what I do is make new string and then I assign the same value to it. So what do you think will happen in this case? Like previously we have seen, like it does not matter if the value is same, the string will be, when we use double equal sign, it will give us true. But now we have declared a string by using new keyword. In this case, if I now copy this same code and paste here, but this time we say is same example 2, and this time we check name with name 3 and we print out example 2. So what will happen in this case? Let's see. So previously we have seen like there was only one case and it returned true, but now the code is running and it returned true in first case but false in second case because we have used the new string keyword. So how to compare if there is scenarios like that? So instead of using this one, what we can do is use, or I can just copy this again. So this is another method to check the values of the string. This is an inbuilt function which is equals, and inside we give name 3 and we say this is example 3. So if we now run this code, you will see that it will be true, false and true. So the first case will return true, our second case will return false, and our third case again will return true, because equal method compare the context of the string. Okay, so that's why it is returning true. So these are like the one of the few things that an interviewer can also ask you. Apart from this one, we can use like int length to find the length of the string, and we can also use all other features as mentioned in the slide. So the most important thing in string was uh, to grasp the concept of the